In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create read more links in Mailchimp. This is a simple but really useful skill, especially if you send newsletters that link back to full blog posts or articles on your website. Read more links help keep your emails clean and easy to scan, while still giving your subscribers an easy way to access the full content. Start by opening your Mailchimp campaign and locating the part of your email where you want the read more link to appear. This will usually be in a text or paragraph content block where you've already added a short preview of your article. Scroll to that section and click on the text block to open the editor. Next, highlight the specific words you want to turn into the link. A common choice is something simple like read more, continue reading, or learn more. Click and drag over that text with your mouse so it's clearly selected. This is important because Mailchimp will only apply the link to the text you've highlighted. Once your text is selected, look at the formatting toolbar that appears at the top of the text editor. Find the link icon. It usually looks like a small chain link. Click that icon to open the link tool. This is where you'll tell Mailchimp what web page you want people to go to when they click that text. In the pop-up window that appears, you'll see a field labeled something like web address or URL. In that field, paste the full, absolute URL of your article. Make sure it starts with HTTPS so the link works correctly. For example, if you're linking to a blog post on your site, copy the entire address from your browser and paste it into this field without adding any extra spaces. After you've pasted the URL, take a quick second to double-check it for typos or missing characters. A broken link means your subscribers won't reach your content, so this tiny review step is worth it. When everything looks good, click Insert or Save in the pop-up. Mailchimp will apply the link to the highlighted text. You should now see that your read more text is underlined or styled as a hyperlink in the editor. Finally, use the preview or test email feature in Mailchimp to send yourself a test and click on the read more link to confirm it takes you to the correct page. Once you've verified that, you're done. You've successfully created a read more link in Mailchimp, and you can repeat this process for any article snippet in your campaigns.